Hey DIY friends, today I'm going to show you how I chose to upcycle these bins for a decor piece for my daughter's room. I'm going to first use my Dremel to cut off those little tab pieces on the end of the plastic drawers. Now I'm going to get me 100% acetone I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this to wipe down the very back piece of this drawer because I went to Dollar Tree into the catering section, got these 6-piece set, I think they're called shot glasses that are crystal clear. I'm going to use these as legs to make this into a little table for her room. I needed to make sure that each of the 4 shot glasses were indeed leveled so that this table is sitting flat on all of the pieces. And then I got me a magic marker, and I'm going to just circle the top parts of where they hit on this drawer piece so that when I glue these onto the actual plastic bin, I know exactly where they need to go to ensure each cup is actually holding weight on this drawer. And then I got me some clear Gorilla Glue, and I lined the top of the actual little shot glass, and then I went ahead and put a little bit of the glue on the bin as well, and then I topped it off with some hot glue. I'm not sure what happened or transpired, but for some reason this did not work for me. The Gorilla Glue with the hot glue, the legs came off, and so when I just took all of the hot glue off and just put only the Gorilla Glue, it worked. So I don't know what happened. So that is like my experience trying to combine hot glue and Gorilla Glue. Once I was done putting all the legs on, I got these candles, placed it inside to put pressure so they can dry overnight. Then I went out to my deck, put down a protective covering over top of my table, and I spray baked the inside this really pretty yellow color, and then I'm going to spray paint the outside this really pretty blue color. I've already had these spray paints on hand, so I was just trying to combine to match the decor of what I'm going for her room. And I did about 2 coats inside and about 2 coats on the outside, while also making sure to cover the legs as well. Now, I am a lover of the wall stickers Dollar Tree have. I check every time I go into the store to find something new to use for a piece of decor. So I found this llama one. You probably seen it in your store, and I thought it was just so cute, but I didn't want to put it on her wall. So I decided to put it inside on the back piece of this drawer, and I put it inside and made creases on the legs because it was a little too tall, and I needed to make sure that I wanted the whole top part to show. The legs can be cut a little short. You're not going to really notice that, but I wanted to make sure everything was going to be even in the back piece. So then I just applied both pieces together to go on the back piece of this drawer. At first I just put it on there by itself, but then I realized it wasn't adhering 100%. So I went back with some hot glue, and I used hot glue moving forward when I apply pieces of the sticker onto this spray painted surface. And then I put the word llama, and then I just eyeballed different areas on the inside to put all of the extra little pieces from this wall sticker on the inside for her cute little drawer. And this is how it turned out and how it looks in her room. It is so cute in the corner and it holds her lamp without any problem in some of her books. Thank you so much for checking out this video.